Hi everyone, in this video, I'll be explaining how big data and artificial intelligence for strategic marketing. In this case, I'll be using a case study example, one of the brands from Indonesia, which is a ready to eat frozen food brand called Satu Porsi. And the benchmark I'll be using from an international market is Lean Cuisine by Nestle. So, what is big data analytics? First, turning massive data into insights. The first one is e-commerce data, includes data collected from online shopping platforms such as TikTok Shop, Tokopedia, and Shopee. Second is social media activity, referring to an engagement data from platforms like Instagram or TikTok. Next is online purchase history, covers what customers have bought in the past, their spending frequency, and average order value. Last is customer reviews, includes ratings and written feedbacks from platforms like Shopee and Tokopedia reviews. Here, for example, they use platforms, e-commerce platforms like Shopee and Tokopedia. Businesses can see what customers buy, how often they buy it, what content they engage with, and what feedback that they leave for the products that they buy. Next, we have what is artificial intelligence in marketing. First is predictive analytics. They can analyze historical data to predict future customers' behavior, such as what they might buy next. Second is chatbots. Most of the businesses now they use chatbots just to, for example, they can answer FAQs, frequently asked questions, so that they don't really have to spend a lot of time answering questions over and over again. Third is personalized ads. AI use ads based on users' interest, browsing behavior, and demographic to increase relevance and reduce ad errors. The last one is automated campaigns optimization. AI continuously tracks ad performance and automatically adjusts targeting, budget, and timing for the best result. For example, for the last one is that I have experience working with Meta ads that they usually have a notification saying that we are out of money or that we have reached our target. Right. For the next one is I'll be starting with the benchmark part. Right. So here I have Lean Cuisine first from Nestle. First is analyzing consumer health and diet trends globally. Here, to understand how these two concepts works, let's look at Lean Cuisine. They use, for example, here that customers sometimes have a few trends that they follow throughout the year. Like, for example, that if they're on a weight loss diet journey, that they are prioritizing more on high protein meals, then they use AI powered tools to like analyze the social media sentiment to understand the taste, portion size, and packaging so that they can keep on updating on the market so they can keep up with the market. Here I have a few screenshots from Lean Cuisine's social media. First is their Instagram on the left, and their YouTube reviews from on the right. Here are a few. I saw a few YouTubers reviewing their products, and most of them are they use a very catchy title, as if like diet with lean cuisine, since they do have some high protein products. Second is uses AI sentiment analysis to read review social media comments. In this case, it's very similar to like what people businesses have used, that they actually use feedbacks on their social media to actually improve their business. Next is applies predictive analysis to forecast demand and new flavors. In this case, it's very similar to what I have explained before, that they use AI to have predictive analysis to forecast demand for new flavors. For example, people had a phase with spicy noodles that they actually added with some high protein so that people can actually eat it healthily. Last one is optimizes ad targeting and spending by segmenting audiences based on lifestyle data. Here I have two examples of their product. Here we have the red label, this protein, which means that this product have a lot more protein than their actual products. And the comfort one is just a normal portion, but it's still marketed as healthy foods. Next, I'll be discussing about Satu Porsi brand overview. So Satu Porsi is a ready-to-eat food brand. It is considered frozen food since it is frozen when we get it, and but it is still considered healthy since they don't use MSG. They don't really uh, it's not ultra processed, so it is considered healthy. Here on the second point, I have written complete meals, which means that Satu Porsi actually provide a few options for the protein, carbohydrates, and veggies. So us people can actually have option to which one to get. The third one is they are available on TikTok Shop, Shopee, Tokopedia, and Food Hall. Here, I have a few screenshots of their e-commerce. On the left is their Shopee, and on the right is their Tokopedia. We can also get it offline, but they actually strategize their marketing with they only sell their best selling products on the offline stores, which is in Food Hall. The last one is collaborate with KOLs for new campaigns. Here I have the screenshot of their TikTok repost that they partnered with a targeted KOLs. So, for example, that they actually had a weight loss diet type of campaigns, and they partnered with a fitness influencer, fitness TikToker to promote it. Next is big data for Satu Porsi. So first one is they use e-commerce analytics. Here I have inserted Tokopedia, Shopee, and TikTok Shop as their main commerce. Second is customer feedback and product reviews that they actually sometimes they use AI to um, filter their reviews to see were there any bad reviews or were there any complaints. Last one is TikTok and Instagram engagement metrics. Here I have a screenshot of one of the meetings, the report that I had to do since I interned at Sotoborsi. We actually uses YouTube, TikTok, and Reels for the main engagement metrics, since we can actually boost and choose which one do we want to promote more, which content. Next is AI applications for Satu Porsi. Here, predictive marketing for the first one help estimate which SKU will sell more on certain period. Second is can help identify which audiences are most likely to convert, and the last one is can predict uh, what type of content that we're going to produce on that month or week. Second is chatbots. Here's the example of the chatbot that they use. Um, Personalized recommendations that I have actually used AI to help me with content ideas since the content are mostly cooking content. And the last one is campaign optimization. Choose best KOLs and ad timing. For the strategic impact of big data and AI on Satu Porsi, they will have more accurate targeting and analyzing customer data from TikTok, Shopee, and Instagram to identify who buys their product. For example, working moms or gym goers. Second is improve their customer experience with insights from reviews and purchase behavior for to personalized new menus recommendations such as low calorie bento box or high protein menu ideas. And third one is stronger brand loyalty to make customers feel understood through personalized offers, fast response, and relevant product recommendation. The last one is better campaign efficiency. AI-driven analytics can track which ads and influencer generate to their best ROI. I guess that's all for my presentation. Thank you for watching.